You probably did millions of CAPTCHAs in your life. CAPTCHA is something really annoying for us to do on a daily basis, but it's needed. Now, what if I told you that you can earn money by completing CAPTCHAs? Now that sounds crazy, right? Because it is. Let me show you how it works. Be sure to follow me closely and you will make a lot of money, and please also like this video as well because it really can help me. Thank you, and let's get started. Now guys, this is OGAds.com, and make sure you remember this website because it's crazy good. It's crazy how much money you can make with this one and with so little effort. You can earn money here like a crazy man and you won't have to do anything other than complete some CAPTCHAs. Now, what do you think about that, guys? Just look at these reviews. A lot of people are satisfied with this website and it is so popular, guys. As you can see, you can download it on the App Store, on Google Play as well, so whichever device you are using, you are good to go. And I really couldn't believe this at start, and I did some calculations and I found out that you can get some decent amounts of money by completing this. I have found out that you can actually make something like 30 cents for each CAPTCHA that you complete. Now that might not sound like it's too much, guys, but it takes you like 15 seconds to complete one CAPTCHA, right? So that's like 30 cents for you, and that means you can do 4 in a minute if it's 15 seconds. So 30 cents times 4, so you can get $1.2 each minute, guys. $1.2 each minute, and if you do that for an hour, that's times 60, and just look at this, guys, $72 each hour for you. Every hour, you get $72. Now, how crazy is that? Tell me down in the comment section how crazy is that, guys, and if you do this for 2 hours straight, you will get $144 each day. Only 2 hours per day completing CAPTCHAs. That's really dope, guys. This is really OG. OG Ads is gonna make you rich, guys. As you can see, easily monetize your website, blog, app, or social media accounts with OG Ads Profit Generating Content Locker. Now, of course, they will pay you via PayPal, and you know that's pretty easy to get. You just go over to paypal.com and you simply just click on this button, sign up, and that's all that you have to do. Just make sure that you check this personal account because that's what's needed for you. Click on continue button and you should be taken care of. Now guys, all you have to do is click here on sign up now, and trust me, this process is a little bit complicated, so make sure that you stay with me through all this process because there is something that you can get mistaken on, so please make sure that you follow closely so you don't get confused or nothing of that sort. For start, this is all simple information. You just enter in your username, email address, password, and you click on the next step. Now, that was self-explanatory, and this page is self-explanatory as well. You just enter in your first name, last name, address, city, region, postal code, and country, and you can see that it works everywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter if you live in Belgium, it doesn't matter if you live in Bulgaria, it doesn't matter if you live on Cook Islands, wherever that is, you can make money on this wherever you live. Just complete this and click on the next step once again. And now this is where things are a little bit complicated. It's not complicated, but you have to take some notion here. You have to pay attention. And this question, you have to answer a few questions, but this one is the most important. Why do you want to work with OG Ads? And now, of course, I would type in, I want to make money, but that's not enough, guys, because you can't do that. Please don't do that. I suggest that you take this like a job interview or something, which will get you like $1,000 per month. So you just have to be a little bit more imaginative with this one because they will not approve everyone on this website, guys. You have to think about it for a second and then you have to answer this question truthfully. Just be a little bit more imaginative and that's all. Now, for the next question, how did you hear about OG Ads? You can just put Google or you can put a link to this video if you have heard this the first time. That's gonna give you a little green flag as well, but you don't have to do it. You do hear whatever you want, guys. Now, the next question is, how long have you been doing CPA? I want you to put here like 6 to 12 months because that's gonna show that you have some experience at least. Now, what are your monthly earnings? I want you to put 100 to 2050. And now here, please list previous networks that you have worked with. Now here, you can put in Digistore24, you can put ClickBank, you can put Warrior Plus. You can do a bit of research on my channel as to see which are these affiliate platforms that I'm mentioning, so that's gonna get you there. And now these down here, you don't need these because this is for affiliate marketing and referral program that you can do later, but this is not so important as those up there. This contact information is of course important. You complete that and just click on the next step. Now here, just agree to this, complete this CAPTCHA, and click on finish. Now, you can also see that they have Google Play app on the App Store, and it is very well rated, 4.2 out of 5, and that's pretty excellent if you ask me, and it looks dope as well. This is how it looks like. You can track your payments, you can track how much money you've got, and you can track how many CAPTCHAs you have completed, and you also have this chat window over there, so you can use that as well. Now, on the App Store, it's a little bit less rated. It's 3.9 out of 5, but don't take it too hard. It's still a developing app. It is still pretty new. I really trust that it's gonna be better. And once you log inside, guys, you will be verified by this human verification. And as you can see, you will just select all of these. You will complete those CAPTCHAs in 15 seconds, and you will get yourself some money, guys. Each one of these took me 15 seconds to complete, and each paid me 30 cents. So $0.3 for me for each 15 seconds, guys. That's a lot of money. When you add that all up, when you combine all of that money, that's weekly or monthly profit, which is excellent, guys. That's a lot of money, and it doesn't take much of your time. You can do it for 1 hour daily, and that's still good profit. Let's just see if you do it for 1 hour daily, so times 4 in a minute, and then times 60 minutes, that's $72 for you for an hour, guys. Now just imagine if you get $70 each hour of your clicking the mouse, guys. You just click the mouse and you get the money. Now that's exactly what these guys offer, and I really think that you should take advantage of it. You also have this blog here which you can use, and they have a lot of these news and articles which can help you make some more money, and you can be more knowledgeable about OG ads as well, and that's gonna help you get some more money in the process, and it will monetize your time even more. These guys have it all, and I really suggest that you do some research and involve yourself into this because it can be really profitable. A lot of money is hiding here. Now I just showed you. You just have to go out there, take some action, and I'll catch you later.